Also, we wish to inform the public that the Chinese ambassador, by the way, Zhao, had a courtesy call yesterday. It was a long courtesy call. I think it took us 1 hour and a half. And he extended his greeting and commendation to the police officer that was the subject of taho-throwing. He said he saw the video, and Ambassador Zhao said he was impressed by the professionalism and restraint exhibited by the police officer. And he said that Chinese government does not tolerate this kind of behavior. In fact, he said that in the Philippines, we should prosecute nationals of other countries, including Chinese, who violate our laws, in the same way that in the China area, or Chinese government will also prosecute foreign nationals that violate their laws. And then second, he extended invitation to the president, giving the greeting from the president of China to attend the, what do you call that? Belt and Road Forum in late April of this year. And then he suggested to the president if he could already implement the memorandum of agreement that we had with respect to our shared interests. You remember that we included the communication, infrastructure, and other interests mutually interesting to both countries and beneficial.